Bro, what's this? Hey, boss. Someone donated. Ayan. Top donated Lilmaru. Lilmaru. Little Maru. Little bro. We just traveled. People wonderful. Give me everything that you took from me. Give me everything that you did. People want the first, put my foot on the bed and I'm gone. Bro. Oh, what the? But why am I even playing this? There's some guys, I guess so. Okay. Give me everything that you took from me. Give up on the fair, but I'm better than I'm gone. My foot and I'm better than I'm gone. Yo, 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 yo. Speedrun. This is the problem, bro. What's that? That's not my problem. That's just not my problem. I made this too easy, bro. Bah. So, para matapos mga maze na may sa ulo, mahulog ka. Okay. Sundan ko lang tong left wall, ay right wall. Right foot. Follow me, blood. May following this girl, bro. Wait. But it's the wrong way. It's not there. Scared today. That's the question. That's the question. Hindi ko na mahulog na naman. Ayos ng problem, bro. Wait. Ito. 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 Bro. We just made a new friend. And she left. What's this? Oh wait. Bro. Silly little old man. You're too young to understand that. Pink. Dito ako nahulog dati. Ay kanina. Dati daw. Bakla ba siya? Oh my god. Bro, I actually is kind of fun though. Like, oh my goodness. Where do I go? What the? Bro, I'm stuck. I think I got folded by. So, I do not want to make it again. Please. Yes. Ay, ganun lang pala. Kala ko impossible. Go around. Ring around the rosy. Let's go ba? Where the next? That way. Go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold on. Oh. Boop. Okay, that just looks so dumb. Let's go again. Oh no. Here's the part where we follow. That's the hard things and that's bow. Will you meet me tonight? Oh, don't fall again. Let's go. W moments. My god, bro. I suck. If I get scared, I'm gay. But this is just only up. Oh. Do you think I'm dumb? And they're gonna think, oh, they're gonna follow the hearts. Oh wait, I guess the hearts is the right option. Even though those hearts down very down there. Ito ko tapo. I cannot even see the hearts, bro. What's this? Oh. Oh, yo. That's good, boys. But this is hella easy. How is this even hard? Oh my god. Oh my god. Finally. What? Bro. Oh my god. This time I got that in pin. Yes. Oh my god. They got the W trip. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Let's go. Sheesh. Oh my god, bro. Stefan is so worth it. Then I got girls outfit too. Made it lovely pink topper. Oh my god. Bro, I like it. Even though magay ba? Heck na ba? Di ako bakla. Yes, sir. Wait, gusto ko ulit makita yun. Ayun lang. Pagkatapos ng things. God, stig. Na-reach on top na ako. Wait, ano yun to? Oh yes. Yeah. Take a screenshot of this. Oh my god, I'm so beautiful. Oh, what? Didn't stop? Heck no.